Okay, so what I have here is the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Braid Sheen Spray. It says here that it helps stop breakage, split ends, dryness, repairs dry, damaged hair. It's feather light with a moisturizing formula, and it is the Olive Miracle Deep Conditioning, and it is 12 fluid ounces. So what I'm gonna say first about this product is that I really like it. I enjoy this product actually a lot. This is honestly one of my go-to products. I think this is probably my second time buying this product, just because I use it a lot, and I've known this product for a really long time. And it says it's like the braid sheen spray, and I'm not one to get braids a lot, but when I do put this in my hair. It's not only for like the fake hair type of braids, it's like for the, you know, any type of braids that you could put in your hair, just like a quick updo style with some cute braids in your hair. But yeah, it just says it's the braid sheen spray that's there. But I like this product just because it keeps my hair very like moist, and it keeps it very nice. And it's true what it says about the anti-breakage, because I put this in my hair and my hair is usually breaks off a lot. Like my hair is very bad at like breaking off, not because of like really many products that I put in my hair. It's just because my hair is very dry and it just tends to break off all the time. And this does a very good job of not breaking my hair. And although it says it's a braid sheen spray, I'll occasionally just spray this in with a style that I have in my hair, and it works just as well. It's not like a specific, like, at least for me, to like just braids, but it does say it is for braids. But I like to use it for a lot of any other styles that I put in my hair, like if I curl my hair, or if I do some like type of updo, like a bun or something, then I'll put this in there. It just keeps me from being super dry and itchy and just all those type of things. So this is kind of what it looks like here. It's just the back there with all of like the directions and ingredients there. And then this is the little spray up here, like how it comes out. But that's just the bottle. Again, it's from African Pride. Another thing that I do like about this product is that it's like the type of product where you spray it and you don't need a lot. And I enjoy products like that because I have a lot of hair, and so it can be a lot of a hassle to be spraying so much product because of the smell, and then how much is in your hair, and then you're afraid to get it on clothes or any like cloth that you have. Like if you lay down for the night, you're afraid that you might get it on like your pillow or some like blankets, and then maybe it won't come out. But that's what I like about this product, is that you don't have to use a lot of it, and it works just as well. Like it works as well as if you would spray a lot than if you would spray a little. Traveling with this, I wouldn't say I don't recommend it, but like it's a weird, like, not like large bottle, but I feel like you could just like open the little thing there, like untwist the cap, and then like put some in a different bottle and then just put it in your hair. I lost the cap to mine, so that's usually what I do, is if I'm going somewhere and I don't want to bring the whole bottle with me, I'll just put it in like a different container or something. One thing that I don't like about this is the smell. It's not that I don't like it, it's just that it's very strong for me, and I am very sensitive to smells. And it just smells very like, it's like a minty olive oil type. I'm not sure exactly how to explain it, but it smells very odd to me. And it's not bad. Like the smell doesn't smell bad. That's not the issue. It's just very strong. And if you're sensitive to smells, then this is probably something that like you maybe want to avoid, but it's not like a bad smell. It just is very strong. And so when I put this in my, like, I still use it a lot though. Like, I just, when I use it, I don't need to use a lot. So therefore it's not that of an intense thing for me to have to deal with. So that's why I don't mind using it, because I don't have to use a lot of it. And so I'm not that bothered by it, but the smell is something that I don't particularly like the most. Another thing that I like about this product is that you can use it for, honestly, you can use it for a lot of different types of hair. I know me and my sister have very different types of hair, and I use it on her hair, I use it on my hair, I've used it on friends' hair, and they all like it. I also recommended this to my mom because she's also very sensitive to putting things in like her hair and what's near her skin, and she uses this and she loves it. And my mom does not like scents, but this one doesn't bother her as much as a lot of other ones do. Also, my sister, she hates a lot of like scents for like hair products and things like that, but this is one that she actually doesn't mind because it doesn't smell like a typical hair product. And that's one thing that she really likes, and she can put this in her hair because she has like a different hairstyle than most people. But again, this is the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Braid Sheen Spray.